The soda?
No, it's not.
No.
In order for this all to work, you need to completely let me.
He wants to believe it's soda. Let him believe it's soda.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy your evening, gentlemen.
The
I'd like to
good soda.
consider your proposal.
Mm-hmm.
He knows.
Are you upset because she's whining? I'm upset because she's whining too.
You gonna lay down? You gonna do right there? You okay?
Nope.
No.
What? What? Oh. You sleepy? Where's your eyes?
They're not sleepy.
What?
Casey, you should act like you're snoring. Charlie, when you act like you're faking you're sleeping, he goes, wake up.
Oh, really?
Wake up?
Sato knows. He's playing with us. Doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll wait here for you.
Where are you going?
He's gonna come tell me he wants more in his sippy.
Okay, I'll take care of it.
Make sure you do. We're here to work.
Hard work, huh? There we go.
Lay down.
You can't lay down?
Yeah.
What do you need?
Are you gonna do that on top of me?
Do it.
Do it.
You want me to hold that for you? Yeah? Go on.
Under here. You gonna jump?
Yep.
I think so.
Charlie, you gonna count? Say 1. I want to see if I can get him to do it. Say
1.
Say 7, 8. You gonna count?
No, he's just gonna sit right on top of him.
No, his latest thing is he likes to body slam himself onto the couch, and he goes 7, 8, nipple, and then he throws himself on the floor.
What?
You want to get under there? You want me to cover you guys?
Yeah.